Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Today, we will discuss a company that has established itself as a premier project generator. I'm speaking of Millrock Resources, trading on the TSXV symbol MRO and on the OTCQX symbol MLRKF. Joining us today is the President, CEO, and Director of Millrock Resources, Gregory Beischer. Before we begin, allow me to convey to our listeners that Millrock Resources is a sponsor of Proven and Probable, and that we are proud shareholders of Millrock Resources for the virtues we will convey in today's message. Mr. Beischer, welcome to the show, sir.
Well, thanks very much, Maurice. Thanks for inviting me on.
Gregory, last time we spoke, we were in New Orleans, and at the investment conference, I was unable really to have an opportunity to speak with you as investors were interested in the merits of being a shareholder in Millrock Resources. Share with us some of the questions that you were receiving.
Well, we did have a lot of interest in our active exploration projects. I guess the question I got most often is when are the drill results coming from the Stellar project in Alaska? And everyone was curious what we're working on down in Sonora State, Mexico.
And speaking of that, let's begin our discussion today in Alaska on the Stellar project, where the latest press release refers to IP and the always exciting drill results.
That's right, Maurice. We had done an IP survey as part of our overall exploration program at the Stellar project, but of course the main thrust was drilling. We used two drills to re-drill the Zackley high-grade copper-gold skarn. And just recently we've now made a press release about those results. And they're pretty darn good. One of the better intersections was 14.5 meters, grading 2.5% copper and 2 grams per ton gold. And another quite good one was 5.3 meters at 2% copper and 0.7 grams per ton gold. So we were able to get excellent core recovery, much better than the historic drilling. In fact, it looks like some of the intersections were a bit thicker than we'd anticipated from prior drilling. So this is good. With PolarX, the funding company, we should be able to recalculate the resource at Zackley and bring it to modern compliance standards. So with a successful drilling program, we are encouraged about the porphyry potential in the surrounding area, and the induced polarization survey results were quite helpful in demonstrating that potential. So it'll be another big year of exploration and drilling on this project in 2018. By the way, going forward, the name of the overall project will be Alaska Range. PolarX, of which Millrock is a big shareholder, has decided to rename now that we've combined our Stellar project with their Caribou Dome. So now called the Alaska Range project.
And we will certainly make a note of that here. So Alaska Range for current and prospective shareholders, just to reinforce here that the Stellar project is going to be renamed to the Alaska Range. Moving south to Mexico, there's some genuine excitement regarding La Navidad. What are the latest details there?
Well, we started drilling on the La Navidad project a couple of weeks ago now. We're well into the program. It's roughly 2,000 meters in 9 planned holes. You know, we got some really good results at surface there that were reported in a recent press release from work that we've done since midsummer. And now it's time to test the theories that we've developed. And so far, so good. The production's coming along very well. We should have results in time for Christmas, which is appropriate given the name of the project, La Navidad.
No pun intended, huh? Mr. Beischer, we've covered the good. What keeps you up at night that we don't know about?
Well, there's a number of things right now, Maurice. You know, we're very, very active. We've got a number of different deals coming together. and there's just a lot of balls to juggle all at one time. So that's the thing that keeps me a little worried, but so far so good. We've got a great team of people, and we're executing.
And finally, what did I forget to ask?
Well, I think it's always good to ask about the markets in general, Maurice, and I think everyone had greater expectations for the fall, but clearly the trend is up, and I think 2018 is going to be a really great year. And Millrock, I believe, to be very well positioned. We've got a great portfolio of projects. We're actively drilling them with 4 different partners contributing funds. So I think we're in a really good position to increase value for the Millrock shareholder.
Now, Gregory, if someone listening today wants to get more information regarding Millrock Resources, please share the contact details.
Yeah, sure. It's best if you just go on our website, millrockresources.com, and you'll see phone numbers. You can contact Melanie Henderson at our Investor Relations Department, or if investors would like to speak to me, I'd be glad to.
And last but not least, please visit our website, www.provenandprobable.com, where we interview the most respected names in the natural resource space. You may reach us at contact@provenandprobable.com. Gregory Beischer of Millrock Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you, Maurice.
Happy Thanksgiving to you, sir.
Hey, same to you.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.